Hi, today in this video, we will learn how to speak some simple sentence and it has a very importance while you using this simple sentence in your daily life. So let's jump on the main chapter. And for what you have an interesting thing like practical I clean my teeth, I brush my teeth with scents. Because you know that I'm a village person and I live in a social village. And today's in this video, I will make it some natural thing. So let's get started. Come, my friends. Come, come. Actually, today I'm wear a lungi. It calls lungi in Bengal and that's why it's a famous in Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, or sometime it might be fabulous in Japan. So now I will take some sense. Just wait. Yeah, this is this is a sense. What is it? Is it sense? Sense. Pronounce with myself sense. Yes, sense. Now here I will drop some water. Just wait. Just wait. Come. Come. Come with myself. Come. Now this is a water. Pull down the camera. So this is a water. And here I drop some water. Right. Some water. And then, yes, then I clean my teeth. So now let's start create making some simple sentence. Every day as a beginner, how you can speak or how you can make some sentence. First thing, I clean my teeth with sense. Yes, this is cool stuff. I clean my teeth with sense. And then I clean my teeth slowly. That calls adverb, but second sentence. Again, I clean my teeth very fast, around my teeth, very fast, right? And then I clean my teeth or my mouth. Please, over the camera, okay? And again, I clean my teeth. So, I clean my teeth with this water, with this water, with this water. And this is a very fresh water. In your life, how I can practice my English and how will I make sentence in every day by day. You also watch my video. So try it, build it in the same way, and please learn from my side. Learn from watching my video from me. Because as a beginner, when you make some simple sentence, one day it give you a compound system. Like today, you make a one simple sentence, then I clean my teeth, right? I clean my teeth. And the second day, you say, I clean my teeth slowly and fastly. And third day, you say, today, I want to clean my teeth. Just add one, two. And that is the thing. And after 1 month, 2 months later, you can create more sentence. You can make more sentence. And that is the cool stuff. Actually, I have no cameraman. That's why some video are not appropriate or sometimes you don't get noise or my sounds. So please forgive me for that. I will try to solve this problem. And you know that in every video I speak too much so that You understand the conception, you understand the explanation, and I also practice my English. Love you, everyone. That's all from me in today's video. And be bold, be the best version of yourself. In this video, if I make any mistake to create more sentence, then please leave a comment in below. I will solve this problem. So build it, try it, and plank up your motivation. Plank up what actually you deserve. What basically most of the time you want, that yes, one day I want to be this person. That's all from me. Bye bye. Right.